tired of saying the truth. You took just for me. Contact to me. Time is here. Hello.
Hello kìa.
Vivian.
Hello teacher.
Hello. Hi. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, okay, you're welcome, honey. Where is Duke? Where is your cousin Duke?
Go không? Đi đâu? Đang đi về để con sửa. Có phải kia anh kia sửa đóng kìa.
Is Duke there?
No.
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 Ah, Duke is busy today. Yeah?
No.
Duke is busy?
Duke is home.
Ah, Duke is at home. So you will be the only one to have the class for today.
Duke thấy the mouse.
Huh? Again?
Duke take the mouse from the house.
Ah, I see. Okay. Hold on. Teacher's going to put here. Did you see the message?
Yes.
Yeah. Ah, so Duke will not around for our class today. Ah. Here, honey. Wait. This one?
Teacher, no.
Ah.
No, Duke. Chờ con
Ah.
sửa. Hello. Hello, teacher.
Duke took the mouse. I see. It's the mouse. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Did you go to school today, guys? Yes. Okay. Let's have Duke. Okay, Duke. How are you today, Duke? Vivian said she's fine. Vivian said she's good. And how about Duke? Is Duke okay and fine and good?
Great.
You're great. You say, I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling great.
Ah, okay. All right. Did you also go to school, Duke? Okay.
Yes, I went to school.
Are you tired? Are you tired from school? No. How about Vivian? Vivian, are you tired from school? No? Vivian?
No.
No. Okay, that is really
No.
great. Yeah, that is really cool and really great to hear. And how is the weather today? How is the weather today? Who wants to answer? How is the weather today? Mm.
It's sunny.
Oh, it's sunny and it's very hot. Is it hot?
The love.
What's that? That's a very yummy. Can I? Oh, I have here. I have here.
What?
I have here.
What is it?
Chips. Chips. Okay. So anyway, guys, have you okay, are you ready for our lesson right now? Are you ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm ready.
Very good.
What is it?
Do you like this? Do you like this?
Yes.
Is this nice? Oh,
Yes,
it's
it's so
spicy.
nice.
Is it spicy?
Yes. No.
Oh.
Spicy. This did.
Honey. It's an octopus. Yeah?
Yes.
Honey, Vivian and
Banana seed. Cái này có vị khác không thầy?
Vivian and Duke, you have to Honey, Vivian, Duke, you have to drink water after eating it, okay? Drink a lot of water.
Teacher, some of it. Are you see?
What's that?
What?
Yeah, it's fire. That means it's so hot. Oh, that's a chili right there. Honey, you call that chili. Chili.
Chili.
Yes.
Chili.
Oh, it's very spicy. You like spicy? You like spicy food?
Yes. Yes.
But it's very hot.
Teacher.
What?
In my class, I eat the chili is green. I drink water in outside. My nose have water here.
Is it spicy? Is it also spicy?
Cheesy
Very
is
hot?
green.
It's green.
Cheesy
Oh.
is green.
Yeah, even if it's green, Doc. Even if it's green, it's still very spicy. Yeah, even if it's green. Okay? So anyway, my dear, we are now going to have our material for today, okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, that is really
No.
great. What is that?
It's cold.
It's juice. It's a juice.
That's
It's
cold.
A Coke. It's Coke.
Yeah.
I see.
Cold. It's so cold.
Okay, now teacher's going to share the screen, okay? I will be sharing the screen
Okay.
now, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, I think you are ready now.
What?
Okay.
Teacher, one folder.
Okay, I will share my screen.
Cái ghế mà em coi tivi nhưng mà nó lại ngắn hơn. Anh Đức kia đi chỗ đó có một cõi người cho anh hết. Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yeah. What?
This is not spicy.
Oh,
This
that's not
is
spicy.
not spicy.
Is it cheese?
Yes.
Cheese? Is it cheese? Yeah. Guys, Duke and Vivian, you have to remember that after 30 minutes, I will be leaving the room and then we will
Bạn
go
phải nhớ
down.
rằng tôi sẽ rời đi sau 30 phút nữa.
Okay? And then after that, I will call immediately after the 30 minutes.
Và sau đó tôi sẽ gọi lại ngay sau 30 phút.
Okay? Yeah? Okay, so do you still remember this? Okay, I want you to answer this one and let's see if you still remember all the things you've studied last time. Okay? I want you to answer this one again.
Yes.
Okay.
Chăm đúng không? Chăm. Anh Đức với chị Cam rồi. Chị Cam biết chuyện gì á? Từ cái này chia chuyện này. Trumping. Hi. Theo cái này sẽ làm thành như này. Sao là được như này? Quay chị chờ.
Okay.
Vivian. Not me, I put the tea.
Honey, whose answer is this? Whose
Vivian.
answer is this? Okay. Okay, that is correct, honey. But you have to remove the ing. Okay? Hold on, wait for a while.
Yeah.
I will explain to you. You have to remove the ing because there is no is in the sentence. Vivian, you listen to this one, my dear, honey? Oh,
Yes.
here.
Bạn phải bỏ đuôi ing vì trong câu không có từ is.
Okay? Yeah, so he can jump. Okay, how about number one? Who wants
No.
to answer number one?
Not spicy and spicy.
Which one do you like? Look, the spicy or not the spicy one or the unspicy one? Which one do you like?
Spicy.
Oh, you like the spicy. Okay. What's for
But
number one?
Not spicy. Not spicy and spicy. But
Okay. Okay, now let's
Like
have
this.
number one. What's that? Oh, that's very yummy, Duke. Honey, but you have to, guys, Vivian and Duke, you have to remember to drink water after it, okay? After eating, you have to
Yeah.
drink plenty of water. Okay, let's go. What's for number one? Number one. You
Number
write it.
one is
Right.
right. Không biết gì không? Viết gì? Viết gì á? Viết gì á? Không biết cái này cái cái gì á? We can jump. I can do. I can stand.
After finishing this material, we're going to have the spelling quiz, okay?
Sau khi hoàn thành phần tài liệu này, chúng ta sẽ làm bài kiểm tra chính tả nhé.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thôi đừng bộ cái này vào nhau nha. Thấp. Nghe rồi. Ủa? I can. Vivian.
Okay.
Eat
Very good. Very good. Okay. Guys, it should be hop, not jump. This should be hop. What can you do? I can hop. It should be I can. Because it's asking you. You. Okay? What can you do? So you say, I can stand. What can you do? I can hop. Okay, let's have number 3. Okay, 3. What can you do? You say, I can. What's that?
Cái gì đây là? Cái gì? Mấy kẻ. Trong. Không. Teacher, wait for me.
Okay.
I'm not done yet.
Okay. What can you do? I can jump. What can you do? I can stand. Okay, number 3. How about number 3? Well, let's move forward in number 3.
Còn một cái
3.
cây trong. Đâu ăn nhỉ? What teacher?
Honey, you have to remember, Duke and Vivian.
Why teacher?
Yes.
I said why.
Okay. You have to remember.
Jumping.
Duke, Vivian, here.
Finish.
Bạn cần nhớ rằng khi viết từ tôi để chỉ bản thân, nó luôn phải được viết hoa.
Okay? It should always be a capital letter. This one here, I, it should be always be big letter. I should always be big letter, okay? This is correct.
Yes.
Oh, this is no jumping. Just jump. Just jump, honey. No ing. Yeah. You do not need add
Con chuột.
ing because there is no word
Chắc đúng cái để con chuột nữa.
in the sentence.
Bạn không cần thêm đuôi ing vì trong câu không có từ is.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Here for what can't you do? Cannot, okay, cannot. What cannot you do? What cannot you do?
What cannot you do?
For
Sao quên thuốc anh ấy?
cannot, okay, cannot.
Cannot. Không thể.
Teacher, gun.
Whoa, it's all finished, Duke. Do you want to eat more? Duke, you have to drink water. Drink water, Duke. A lot of water, Duke, after eating salty food. Yes. Duke, water.
Teacher, wait for me.
Okay.
Ủa? Ôi, có một quả trứng bị hỏng rồi. Kệ nó. Sao tôi nghĩ nó bữa này nó liên hệ như
Em yêu, chữ tôi luôn phải viết hoa khi viết chữ đó.
I.
Yes.
Okay.
Khóc nè. Viết hộ cái máy nó có bị cái gì em muốn đấm nó một phát. Được. Ơi. Kết máy không ổn định. Kệ nó. Kệ. Look, teacher. Listen.
Oh, another one. What is that? You are always eating. Are you eating another food, Duke?
Are you listen, it big.
Hmm?
Anh đưa việc đi anh chịu bực lắm.
What?
Are you listen? I put the and to a big.
I don't understand.
Listen.
I don't understand, honey. Can you say it? I don't understand.
Are you listen? I put this it
Ah.
like it.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Are you listen? Hey, boo.
No. I did not hear it. No. I did not hear it. Ah.
Hot. Tôi bóc ra ăn nha.
Again. Again, Duke. What's for number 4? Duke, help Vivian, Duke.
I can
What's that?
and work. Boom.
Stand? Yeah, that's your answer, stand? Okay, let's see. I can't walk. The answer should be I can't walk. Okay, how about number 5? Duke, Vivian?
Me.
Okay, 5. Okay. Duke will answer number 5.
Được viết. Chicken, banana.
Chicken, banana, banana, banana.
Ai? Các bạn Đức. That's Domino. Mino. Thing.
What's this?
Gone.
What can you do? I can dance. Very good. Okay, number 1. Please read, Vivian. Number 1. I can.
Dance.
Very good. 2. Duke. 2, Duke.
Can ha.
3.
Can học. Ha. Ai cho nó học.
Okay,
Teacher.
4. Yes.
What?
Oh, it's a gun. It's a small gun. Okay, let's have number 4. I can. What is it, number 4?
I can go.
Very good. 5. 5. 5 again, 5. Okay, that is it. Very good, guys. Now, let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let's have the next page.
Listen. Listen.
Okay. No, there's no sound. There's no sound. I did not hear it. No sound at all. Oh, okay. Let's play a game, honey. Let's play a game. Okay, you ready now?
Yeah.
You ready now? Okay. Let's play this game. So it says, do what I say. Let's have this one. Here. Let's.
Teacher, no.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a scare face. Em vẽ cho.
Honey, what can you do? Choose a letter. What can you do?
Look, teacher, there is a. Then
Where, what?
there is scare face.
Huh?
Here. There is a scare face. Here. Below.
The blue one? Maybe that's a piranha. We call it a piranha. Piranha. Okay. Yeah, that one is a piranha, honey. Yeah.
See. Face. Oh no, he's running.
Honey, what is this? Choose. Okay, it's D. It's letter D. What letter? Letter?
Tom. See, he's running.
What? Stop this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. C is right. Very good. Okay, next one. What can you do? What can you do?
can.
Letter? What letter?
D.
D?
Letter D.
Yeah.
Yay! I can. What is it? I can.
Waddle.
Very
Waddle.
good. I can waddle. Next, what can you do? What can you do here?
Laugh.
Letter?
A.
Letter
Yeah.
A.
A.
Very good. Next one. What can you do?
Ladder A.
Okay. Yeah, letter A. Letter A. A, where's the A? I can clap. What can't you do?
D.
Okay. We are going to finish this one and then we're going to back again. To be back again, okay? I will end this and then let's call again. Enter again, okay?